Hennasooq is coming up big in 2022, and I got some big plans that I want to share with you from this year and on. And so you don't want to miss this. You've got to watch this video so that you can know everything that's happening with Hennasooq this year. So my name is Khadija. Welcome to the Hennasooq channel. I specialize in henna natural hair dyeing, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and I do gorgeous henna and JAGUA body art. So welcome to my channel. I would definitely have to say the biggest thing that we got going this year is opening up a location to the public in Columbia, Maryland. You know, if you've been watching for a long time, you know that I've been talking about this for a long time. So I'm so excited that I finally find this spot. So I have to get it designed. I gotta make sure to have the production area right, the shipping, the warehouse. Then the most exciting part for you guys, the front area where you can have some of the retail shopping. We'll also have services for henna body art and hair services. It's gonna be huge, and it's gonna level up henna natural hair dyeing and Ayurvedic hair care in a whole other way. Because it'll be something that will really create this space that other professionals can look to and be like, wow, I can do something like this. I want to have this concept. And that's the long-term goal. I really want people to see that, our clients, professionals, you know, if you want to start a new business, like look at this and be like, wow, this is a really successful concept. And to work with Hennasooq to get that done, we want to create this concept so that way you guys can take advantage of it and have more professionals in your area that are offering this service, because we need more support in this industry. We need to show the people in the community how amazing henna and Ayurvedic hair care is. It's like they don't believe us. Yeah, this part just makes me so invigorated, so excited that I'm gonna be able to see you all more often face to face. Like I just am so excited about that. This is our foundation, and it's only because of you guys. I can't do this by myself. I need you guys to really support and be vested in this as much as I am. So in order to get this done, I did have to do a Kickstarter. I had to start to generate funds to be able to put, you know, what's going to be needed into this space, because when you're doing a build up, you know, that's definitely cost a good amount of money to get this space the way that, you know, I'm visualizing it to be, you know, for us. Because in this, my vision is with that production space, with all the new equipment, you know how many more products and more focuses that we can do together, and not only thinking about, oh, let's have some new products, but about really tweaking the foundational products that we already have, making sure that it's not going out of stock, that we always have inventory. Like that flow has to tighten up. And I know that shipping, especially when it's like really busy and it's a holiday time and it's like a huge sale, I know it's a pain point for many of you. I know we've messed up in that area. So I really want to reel that in this shipping area, and our team will grow in such a way they'll be able to, you know, send that along and making sure that the order is perfect. And also that means that the shipping time is going to be way faster because I'll have more space to have more staff in shipping. So I started this Kickstarter, and it is not your average Kickstarter. This campaign that I'm running is not like, hey, donate, you know, thank you very much, you know, I appreciate that. No, it's not only that. It is an investment. Crazy, right? It sounds like, okay, like what's going on here, like investing. I needed to do something that went with the values of Hennasooq, that made sense, and that got the community involved. And not where you just donating some money and that was it, which I would definitely appreciate, because yes, we are trying to raise funds. But I went this particular route with Honeycomb Credit because it's community-based. You invest, you get your principal money that you invested back, and it's only a minimum of like $100, and you get 8.75% interest on that. So we pay you back. By raising funds, we want to expand our location because we are at capacity, and that is where we need your help. We need to be able to buy more equipment so that we can bring you brand new products, larger sizes, more quantities, and also build our team so that we can get your products into your hands quicker. And this will also enable us to be open locally to our community right here in Columbia, Maryland. Our clients will be able to benefit through this expansion because we'll be able to get those products into your hands even quicker than before. And we'll have brand new products. We'll bring be bringing in more natural ingredients that you can have access to that you didn't before. And also locally, right here in Columbia, Maryland, through that, our clients will be able to come in person. And even if you aren't in our state, you can come visit us because we're right near major highways and the airport. So when you want to come through and you're visiting the area, you can definitely stop by and come see us, get a consultation, get more information, get all your products right there and then. So thank you. We really appreciate your support. I know that we are in this together because we are a whole community. And at Hennasooq, we focus on that, our community and how we're growing. And we are growing not just our brand, but we're growing our whole community as a whole with you. So thank you so much. And I really look forward to working with you. I didn't decide to go to some bank, which, most, you could go to that route, go to the traditional bank and get a loan and just, do it behind the scenes. But I really wanted this to be a way for you guys to be really invested, to be like, hey, I put money into that and this is becoming like even better. And it's because of you guys. So I wanted you guys to be involved in this. I wanted you guys to earn money back from it. This is my way of giving back more into your own pockets because you guys do spend a lot of money with us. You do, and I appreciate that so much, that you love the products, that you love everything that we're doing. That means so much. But I want you guys to get something back too. I want you to earn something from this, other than the feeling of just knowing you're doing this amazing thing for Hennasooq, for all your products, for everything that's coming out. Not only are we doing that with this space, we are rebranding. The website is going to be crazy amazing. It's going to be easy to shop on, easier than before. All the information, everything is going to be reorganized again. There's going to be more photos. There's going to be more variety of faces. You're going to see yourself on Hennasooq. So we need to grow as a community. We need to bring this all together, and really stand out, really shine, So I am looking for your support in this. So it's really easy actually to donate. So all you have to do is click the link in the bio. You can get started right there. It'll bring you to the Honeycomb Credit website where our fundraiser is at. And then you can easily donate. You just follow all those steps and it's gonna bring you through everything that you'll need to get done. So that way you're locked in and ready to go. And the donation period is limited. Yes, so it's not gonna be lasting much longer. We probably at this point have about maybe 25 days left about. So the sooner you invest, the better. And again, I really appreciate this a lot. I hope that you'll have the opportunity, wherever you may be, to come and visit us in Columbia, Maryland, because it's not just about our local clients right here in Maryland, but we are right near the highway. We are going to be right near the airport too, BWI. So we are easy to get to, and we are that destination brand that you definitely want to visit and get the full henna experience. Please support today. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions about this or concerns, definitely let me know below. And if you have suggestions too about the space, what you would like to see, what you visualize, I would love to hear from you as well. So please make those comments below. I want to hear from you. I really want your feedback, because that's a driving force in this, is your feedback, your support, your vision, because we're in this together. And for those of you who stayed tuned to the very end, I got a surprise for you, and I want to thank you for staying tuned to the very, very, very end. So this secret message is that we are going to be having a secret stash Sunday. It is going to be a secret collection of products that you can get up to 50% off. All you have to do is go to our website, sign up for the text, and you will get access to that. So take advantage of it, because it is going to be exclusive just for those who sign up for SMS. So thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it so much from the bottom of my heart. I will see you don't forget, Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday for our next videos. And not only that, I want you to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming out. I'll see you next time. Thanks again. Bye.